Okay, let's have another game. Diet Coke time as well. Tate, not am. 2131. More Smith time. Whoa! Can I play for F4? Sort of King's Gambit hybrid. Chaos. So he takes, actually I'll take and take on F7. This knight might be quite good. If I play Bishop C4 and Queen B3. This could be fun, potentially. Or Bishop B5 here and takes on Queen B3. Just CD. Queen D4, Queen B3. I think maybe Bishop B5 trying to keep that knight. Bishop D7. Where's Queen B3 here now? So I'm on at F7. Bishop E6, maybe Queen A4 or Knight C6. What's wrong with Knight C6? Knight C6 takes, Knight takes D8, check. Win a piece. Don't I? Bishop takes B3, Knight takes D8 is check. He takes, then I take the bishop on B3. Okay, so now I play Bishop D7. Oh, he's got that, I suppose. King's going to come out then. B4. There's Queen B5 in there at the end of this. Queen G5. I thought this was going to be fun. I had a good feeling about this game from early on. So King F6, Queen B5. I think it is fun at this point. He does something about his king. There's also Queen E5 as a threat. It's King G5. So with Queen D6, I just win a whole rook. Do I take the queen or just let the queen? I think I want to give my knight C3 actually, so I'll let him take. Get C3 for the old knights. Let's Bishop D5 next, maybe. Bishop E3. Bishop E3 or. Alright, so. I don't know. I'm confused. Knight G4, King D2. His king moves. I want to keep control of C5. So Knight G4 wants with King D2 without allowing Bishop C5. I want to play Bishop C6 and B5. No, not B5. Just Bishop C6, I think, and come back. Or Bishop D5 now that F6 is gone. Bishop D5, just get rid of the light square bishop. Okay, so I can do this because Bishop C3 I can take with check. Hang on, I lose B2. Does it matter? I'm a rook up. There's double pawns. So, rook up. Can I just, I don't know, take on, it's got Bishop D4 coming up. So I suppose I better do something about that. I'm going to walk into a discovered check. Bishop D4, I could play Rook E1 to do an exchange sack. Bishop D4, E3, I just take. If D2 is giving me E2 for the king. So I seem to be a rook up. I'm hoping I'm not going to lose this. It'd be a bit dire, a bit sad if I did lose this. So king d2, rook up. We can play rook g8, that's annoying. Whoops! Oh dear, he's getting counterplay after rook g8. I can't stop rook g2. It's typical. I don't know what goes on here. Is he going to take the exchange now if I just offer it? I don't want rook g8. I don't know what king f6 was about. I thought rook g8 was actually quite a dangerous threat. Okay, I'm now relieved a little bit. At least getting rid of some of his counterplay with that simplification. Okay, now a nice blockade with the king. Okay, so for the moment, let's just see what he does here. He's not going to sack the pawn, is he? Right, I'll get my pass pawns working. B5, ace, A5. Well, I can stop the counterplay here, if that's considered counterplay. Okay. Who's Tate then? Anyone? Tate. I don't know. Just got a pass pawn over here. Oh, okay, rook g6. Oh, my knight's covering d1. Do I keep the pawns connected? Or play knight b5 or a6? I think I can just take here. Okay, so keep this pawn blockaded. If he plays e3 and d2, it's not really a big deal, surely. Oh, now it is. I've managed to lose a rook. Okay. Oh dear, oh dear. I'm going to have to sack a rook. Oh no. Unless rook g8 is mating. Trust me to mess this up. Hang on, king c8. I think that might be mating because of rook g8 anyway. So king b8, rook g8. But otherwise I've got to play rook g1 if I didn't have rook g8. Oh yeah, okay, that wasn't the finest display of technique, but I didn't. But look at this opening. This is a bit crazy. f4, d5. Unusual start position here. A lot of central tension. And you got a bit, I don't know, a bit over optimistic here. Not pairing, he's just going rook down. The blockades sometimes, I mean, he had that major opportunity as well for rook g8 here. I had no idea what to do about rook g8 to g2. These pawns are quite a menace. I'll be getting a passive position. Possibly he was worried about knight e4 just winning 3 pawns for the maybe I just get 3 pawns for the knight and exchange up. That's probably why. Because if rook g2, then maybe I just take. And if he takes check, then king d3. I'm exchange up. I've knocked out 3 pawns for the knight there. So possibly that's why he played king f6. Okay, and then it really should be, I don't know, more straightforward than this. I'm pretty sure. Although what I played did actually get the rook and knight working together here. The pass pawn was a sort of part of a mating net, which is sometimes the case. It's not always just for the pass pawn. It's for king safety. You want to sort of weave a mating net sometimes. So here it seems to be woven because of this rook g8. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.